So guys, for 4th day, actually nakapunta din uli. Kasi this is the last day actually for the Passport to the World Pilipinas. So pupunta pa tayo sa loob. See you!
A few moments later.
So Herwin, ano masasabi mo sa 4th day na na-achieve mo ang 4 days here Passport to the World? Diba?
English naman. English. Nakakaya. Okay. Buti na lang maganda. Thank you. I'll take it. I'll take it. Okay. Post mo yan ah. Huwag mo na lang tapusin yung sentence. Okay. Naiya tuloy ako, kuya. Okay. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? Ang galing! Ang galing! Okay, last one. A little upbeat.
Sabayan niyo ako Sabayan niyo akong masaktan. Okay? Sa mga hindi pinili, para sa inyo to. Pagmamahal at pagkamis nyo sa Pilipinas at sa mga families nyo, okay? Alright, I'd like to thank again your Passport to the World. Thank you, General Entertainment Authorities, GEA. Thank you to His Excellency of Turkey Sheikh. Thank you, Quality of Life Program. And thank you for inviting me here today. Maraming salamat po. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Nag-enjoy ba kayo?